Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This is my infection makeup look. So cute. Starting off by taking out the contacts, because I want to see. I did use scar wax, and scar wax is really annoying to take off, so let's take it off together. Oh boy, I think I'll start with the small ones. Oh, this is a literal prosthetic now. Oh my gosh, life hack? We can't stop there though. Oh, I gotta say, this is easier than ever English. Oh, what I was trying to say was that I've never had an easy experience taking off scar wax, and this is going really well. It's definitely the liquid latex that helps. Oh, there we go. And now the big boy. It is on my eyebrow, so hopefully my eyebrow is still there. It is! So cute! Look at that. And I'm all clean now.
Get on ready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact, we gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it on my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take two. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Now, you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
So what's the issue? One of my demons told me you said you wasn't getting in the fire. I ain't getting in no motherfucking fire. You get in that shit. I didn't ask to be here. You didn't ask to be here, but you made decisions to get you here. Today I only said you have to burn for 5 hours versus you burning for eternity. I don't show that type of mercy. I don't give a fuck how long you said I could burn. I wouldn't hop in fire on earth. Why the fuck would I hop in fire here? You obviously have not been educated on what happens when you come to hell. And God obviously didn't educate you on what type of individual you'll be getting. See, this conversation is already too long. I'm about to have my demons throw your ass in the fire and you gonna stay there. You want everybody to burn, don't you? You just mad because your cocky ass got kicked out of heaven and the Bible be talking mad shit about you. Now you want everybody to burn with you. If I gotta hop in this fire for eternity, you gonna hear my mouth for eternity. What do you want? I need you to make an exception. A what?
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now.
Hey, what's up, you guys? You know what time it is? It is time to take this off again.
You stole my thunder in the face.
My bangs are covered in gloss, and I really don't like that, and I want to take this off.
Here, there you go.
No, don't put in the rest of the hair.
Lead the way, Anastasia. What do we do
So
first?
first we're taking out the teeth, of course.
Like one by one?
Or should we like do the...
I was thinking...
Let's do the thing, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, no, I can't go. I can't go.
This looks scarier, almost. You're doing so good.
Why does it hurt so much? I'm drooling.
1, 2, 3.
No. I have so much hair on my face.
It's like free waxing, babes. You gotta do it fast. No,
fast. I can't do it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no, never mind.
I got it.
No, the other part.
The other part. The other woman.
Owie.
One
more part left. Like just the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, the eyebrow is not that bad.
And if you guys don't know my channel, we like to do nightmare fuel.
I did not know. Can you stop? Can you stop? I can't breathe your water. Boarding me.
See you next time. Brothers, guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Did you miss it? This thing is glued to my neck and it hurts every time I move, so I just wanna... Owie. I forgot how painful removing latex is. Maybe I'll just stay like this for the rest of my life. Okay, no, no. I procrastinated long enough. No, I can't do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not coming off. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Help. How hard did I glue this on? Okay, I got a better grip now. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna rip my face off at this rate. Maybe I should start from the top. Okay, the ears should be easy. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, going fast didn't work. I'm gonna go slow. Maybe give you some ASMR here. Okay, slow. It hurts so bad. 1, 2, 3. I got this. Help. Ooh. So close. Is it in my hair? It's in my hair. What's on my face? What is that? How long did I have a filter on? I didn't realize that was happening. This is cute though. And of course, I can't leave you without the nightmare fuel. I'm inhaling this water. Stop. I don't know how this step always ends up looking scarier than the original makeup. But I might need to go shower. I'll check back in. All clean now. I'm going to sleep. Bye.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Ow. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.